Off the mic segment today, Teddy, we're going to deal with value and who has it here in the NBA playoffs round two. If we take a look at two of the series in particular, the Sixers tied up at 1 with the Toronto Raptors, now moving back to Philadelphia. Same thing with the Boston Celtics, Teddy, tied up at 1 with the Milwaukee Bucks, now moving back to Boston. Both of these teams theoretically now have secured home court for themselves. Can they keep it is the big question. But taking a look, if you're looking at the Sixers, Teddy, now moving back to game 3, a plus 150 to win that series. Then the Boston Celtics, a plus 155 to win the series. You can take out that top. Look, Rockets are favored, as we said early in the show, -3, -4, once that game moves back to Houston in game 3 as a plus 500. Any one of these four series here, Teddy, where you might take a flyer and say, you know what, that plus money might be worth it in the long run.
You know, the one team that stands out to me out of the four would be Philadelphia. I mean, really, when you look, and it's a twofold situation. One, this is a Raptors team that, you know, I know that they've shown signs that maybe this year's team is different. They've also shown signs that this year's team is the same. It's the same core group. I thought their bench would be better, and it hasn't been better. And if they don't have the bench edge, they don't have the star power edge, what edges did Toronto have? So, and we look at Philly and that star power. The fact they won game 2 with Embiid being largely a non-factor in that contest, that's a good thing for Philly moving forward. A little bit extra rest, a good thing for Philly moving forward. I think they're live in the series at plus 150. They'd be the one dog out of the four that I think is most likely to be able to escape with a victory in this series.